Today was nice and dry though and very warm. Temperatures still in the 80s across most of the area. 82 right now in Savannah, 81 in Hinesville. It's still 88 degrees. Nice and toasty right now in Statesboro. It's out there this morning and we're going to see plenty of sun as we go throughout the day today. It's going to be nice and bright. A little bit of fog though in some areas, so just be careful this morning. Very patchy, but if you run into it, make sure to leave a little extra room between you and the car in front of you. Again, cooler closest to the coast, 78 for a high today in Bluffton, 80 for Okatee, and 80 degrees today in Sheldon. Again, that sun's going to stick around, especially through the morning hours. Hey, here's a look at our forecast high temperatures for today. 83 for the high today in Statesboro, 82 in Savannah, 82 for Hampton and Sylvania, 82 today in Jessup, when we'll make it to 82 degrees today in Baxley. We are going to see plenty of sun out there again today. It looks like it's going to stay sunny tomorrow right into early next week. So some pretty nice weather coming up, as long as you don't mind a little bit of a warm up as far as the temperatures go. Here's your hour by hour forecast going through this morning. Again, you can see it, lots of sunshine out there. No big rain events on the horizon. It's looking pretty good.
And we like that.
Yeah, I'm excited for this week.
Thanks a lot, Jessica.
Thanks. Well, this morning in our area, things are pretty quiet. We have mostly clear skies, a little bit of patchy fog, but besides that, not too much going on. However, if we go about halfway across the country, parts of Nebraska into Kansas and into Oklahoma today, we are going to see a lot of severe weather in that area. We're talking about possibility of some major tornado outbreaks today, so I'm sure you'll hear about that as we go throughout the day. However, in our area, nice and quiet. We're going to warm up too. We'll make it into the mid 80s, 84 today in Savannah, 84 for Statesboro, Glenville. You'll make it up to 85 degrees today. Metter, 85 will be your high temperature. 84 today in Hinesville, cooler at the coast. 81 today for Beaufort, 79 on Hilton Head. But all in all in our area, just a fantastic day. Mostly sunny skies, and again, those high temperatures in the mid 80s. Very comfortable as we head into this afternoon. Temperatures about 5 degrees above normal for this time of year. You can see this morning starting out, we do have some chances for some patchy fog out there, so just be careful on the roads and don't forget to leave a little extra room between you and the car in front of you if you do run into any of that fog. By 9 o'clock, we're in the mid 60s. By 10, we're already in the low 70s, and then we keep warming up. By 11 o'clock, we're in the upper 70s and low 80s by noontime, and then this afternoon, a few more clouds move in to the area, but still just a great day. Again, temperatures will top out in the mid 80s all across the area today. It looks fantastic out there. And here's a look at the temperature trend as we go throughout the next several days. Now for tomorrow, we're still in the mid 80s. We're in the upper 80s for Thursday, and look at Friday. I think we're going to do it. I think we're going to make it to 90 degrees as we get into the day on Friday. Farther inland locations could make it all the way into the low, possibly even some mid 90s for the day on Friday. So here's your marine forecast today. If you're planning on heading to the beaches, temperatures will be a little bit cooler in the mid to upper 70s, but still pretty nice out there. Winds will be from the south at about 5 to 10 knots. We'll have mostly sunny skies there as well. And temperatures in inland locations are in the mid 80s for highs, some early fog, then mostly sunny skies, and definitely on the warm side again, about 5 degrees above where we usually are at this time of year. Now for tonight, we're going to stay pretty mild, dropping down into the low to mid 60s. Some areas of patchy fog, especially late tonight or early tomorrow morning. And then by tomorrow, we're still in the mid 80s, upper 80s for the day on Thursday, with a pretty good chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms as we get into Thursday afternoon and evening. By Friday, we're at 90, Saturday back down into the mid 80s, and then Sunday and Monday, it looks like some chances for a few showers. But a great day again today, and getting even warmer later in the week.
We like great days.
Yeah, me too.